Guys, so I bought and used the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement, so I want to share my experience in this my Flat Belly Tonic review. So, based on my personal experience, I will be sharing the scam I discovered that will make you lose all your money, and I will tell you how you can avoid the scam. I will also explain to you what the scam is and how it works, and I will also share my personal experience and my before and after photos. I will also share the good things I noticed while using the Flat Belly Tonic and also the bad things as well. This will help you decide if you want to buy this Flat Belly Tonic supplement or not. So, about the scam I discovered about Flat Belly Tonic, please make sure you listen so you don't fall a victim like I did. So what these scammers do is that because they know that this Flat Belly weight loss supplement is getting very serious attention on the internet, they have gone to create a fake website that looks almost the same as the official website of Flat Belly Tonic. So they will make it look like you are getting 70-90% discount, but when you go to their website and pay, they will take your bank details and make as much withdrawal as possible. So please make sure when you want to buy that you use the link in the description below to get to their official website. That's the link where I bought my own. Now, I was that person that was so ashamed to go out because of my weight. I got discriminated and body shamed by my colleagues at work. And I have been in and out of relationships and my life was turning upside down because I lost my confidence. It was really terrible time for me. I tried to cut on my diet, which is very difficult, but I tried it, yet it did not work. I tried several weight loss pills, but none seemed to be working for me. Some weight loss journeys that I joined was so tedious that I had to stop most of my best meals, but guess what? No show. Now, my sister came back one day and she saw how tormented I was feeling and she started crying, but she told me about her colleague in the office who has lost some great deal of weight because he was using the supplement called Flat Belly Tonic. Well, at first I was hesitant, although desperate, so I accepted to try it. So I went ahead to search for reviews on the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement, and I saw some good reviews, and then I saw a review where I was promised an 80 or 90% discount. I quickly jumped in to enjoy the offer and I put in my PayPal details and then purchased the product. I waited for the product, but it never came, and then only for me to start getting transaction notifications from my PayPal. When I opened my PayPal, I found out that I have nothing left in my PayPal and that my $800 were gone. So the scammers will take your details and make withdrawals as much as they can. To avoid this, I have made it easier for you. I have decided to leave the link to the official Flat Belly Tonic supplement website where I finally bought mine to make sure you people don't fall into these scammers. So after falling victim, I had to ask my sister to get the link to their official website from her colleague, and that's where I finally bought mine. Please make sure you use the link in the description so you don't fall a victim like I did. I am 100% sure that this is the real one because that is where I securely paid for my Flat Belly Tonic supplement after falling for one of those discount websites that I warned you about earlier. Even if you are not ready to buy now, do save this video and the link I added in the description. That way you are sure you are not falling into the hands of these scammers. Anyway, I am so happy to let you all know that I have gone down by more than 20 pounds in just 5 to 6 weeks. As you can see my before and after pictures, Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement saved my life. For the link to Flat Belly Tonic supplement official website, make sure you use the link in the description. So today, as I am sharing my experience in this Flat Belly Tonic supplement review, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section down below, share your experience with gaining weight and the struggles you have been through. We can all see how we can stand with each other and solve our issues together. If you decide to buy the Flat Belly Tonic supplement, make sure you use the link in the description. That way you are safe. Feel free to also like and share the video so that others can be free from these scammers. So let's continue. Now, what is Flat Belly Tonic supplement? Flat Belly Tonic supplement is a weight loss supplement for getting rid of excessive weight and belly fat by providing a carb management supplement that will boost your body metabolism in a few seconds. It basically supports fat burning ability and lowers your appetite. Flat Belly Tonic supplement is made completely from natural and organic ingredients. These organic ingredients will naturally boost your metabolic system to be able to burn consumed food very fast. These natural and organic ingredients make it a very effective food supplement. So what are the pros and cons I noticed while using the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement? One of the first things I noticed, apart from the fast metabolism, is my sleeping pattern improved. So about the pros, remember that when you want to buy that, you use the link in the description below. So you avoid stories. Flat Belly Tonic is a miraculous supplementation that has great benefits attached to it, alongside the actual results obtained with the consumption. It strengthens your digestion process, metabolism. It improves the ability of internal organs to function effectively. It boosts energy levels in the body by being dissolved in the blood. It is 100% natural, so no side effects, and it has 60 days money-back guarantee. The only problem with the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement is that it's only sold online. So how does the Flat Belly Tonic supplement work? So just as I mentioned earlier, one of the things I noticed about Flat Belly Tonic supplement is that my body metabolism changed. And this is what I think is a huge point with Flat Belly Tonic supplement. It enhances your body metabolism, unlike other weight loss pills that are still based on strict meal plans and strict exercises plans. Feel free to ask me any questions if there is anything else you want to know in the comment section down below. But you don't have to worry because it has 60 days money back guarantee. And to buy the Flat Belly Tonic, please make sure you use the link in the description. It is the first link you will see. That way you are sure you are buying from their official website. Conclusively, I think this is a breakthrough for people like me who has in one way or the other been adversely affected by the issue of weight gain or excessive gain. Some of us has lost their self-esteem in the process. Some of us usually shy away from public gatherings or family functions because we always have that cousin that is always getting on our nerves and telling us how much weight we have gained. So I tried and stayed away just to myself. I say thank you to my sister for introducing Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement to me. And yeah, please feel free to share this video to other people who may need it. We can work together to help ourselves in any way we can and save ourselves from these scammers. I will appreciate if you will like my video. I wish you guys all the best.